So let me show you how to rename your Sony Smart TV that's running Google TV. So you want to go to settings. Now you may or may not be prompted at the top here to set up your name. If you've already done that, then you can still change your name by going to System and then go to About, select that, and then it should say Device Name. So once you select that, you can either select Don't Change to keep the default name, or you can click on Change, and then you can name this using these predefined names. For instance, your bedroom TV, dining room TV, and whatnot. But also you can go down there and enter a custom name. So for instance, I'm gonna call mine Web Pro TV. And then I'll go down and click on this arrow to save that name. So that's going to be my new TV name. Thanks for watching and good luck.